The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... The number you have dialed has been changed.
So we're walking to the volcano.
Warning, never get close to volcano or lava. It's extremely dangerous and life-threatening. Follow all evacuation orders and posted signs.
Where you're not supposed to go, but I just got magnetized by the way, if you're concerned about people living on other islands like Oahu and Kauai, Maui, Molokai, we're doing just fine here in Honolulu. The volcano is not affecting us in any way, but the people of Puna, Pahoa, and nearby areas, please call them if you have relatives and send prayers their way. Mahalo. Oh my goodness, it's freaking hot. Gotta hike 4 miles to get here. You can actually see a lava lake inside of this opening in the ground. Lava river flowing. I'm going to talk about the conspiracy theories aspect of this phenomenon of Kilauea Volcano erupting. It has been erupting since 1983 continuously, sometimes more, sometimes less, but right now it's a lot more. A lot of seismic activity, lots of earthquakes happening as well. No tidal waves at the moment, but it can create a tidal wave if the earthquake hits at that particular place. Also a lot of ash, fallout, sulfur in the air. People actually running out of masks, respirator masks, so breathing is becoming more and more hard, and people have to stay inside. Multiple structures, houses have been burnt and destroyed by the lava. Thousands of people have been evacuated. There is a geothermal power plant in the Puna area that can explode and release many harmful chemicals in the air if lava were to damage it. Luckily, nobody has died, and I'm very happy to know that. I cannot confirm at the moment that this lava eruption of Kilauea is caused by man-made activities. However, I can confirm that chemtrail activity in the Hawaii region from Oahu to Big Island has been crazy. There's been a lot of chemtrails during this eruption, day after day, and these chemtrails are literally covering the sky in this haze, it's not purple haze, it's like a white grayish haze from the chemtrails, and that's very disturbing considering that these atrocities are really happening and the chemtrails activity has to stop. People who research these subjects know that earthquakes can be triggered by HAARP technology, since HAARP technology is a extra low frequency wave that is a pulse, and you know, like when you hear loud music and you hear that bass from a subwoofer, you know how it shakes everything. If you're in a car with a subwoofer, it shakes the seats, like it makes them into a massage chairs. Basically same way with the HAARP technology, except it's millions of times greater. So basically the HAARP technology can trigger earthquake seismic activity, which in turn can trigger volcanic activities. Case in point, I have no doubt that the Fukushima earthquake in Japan that created the notorious tidal wave and damaged the Fukushima nuclear plant was caused by HAARP activity, and there is evidence coming from the Russian side because in the far east of Russia there are monitoring stations that do monitor the ionosphere, any kind of changes in the ionosphere, and they did notice that there was a change in ionosphere shortly before the Fukushima earthquake. Thanks for watching and God bless. Stay safe.